All right, here we go with a quick tour of what I keep in my kit. So let's open it up nice and wide. So this is what I use for my on-site engraving and calligraphy events. And so I keep my engraver, some extra burrs, and a burr lubricant in nice and easy to reach. So when I'm unpacking for an event, I can just pull it out. And then this kit is nice because it opens up. So then I have masks. You never want to engrave without a mask. It protects your lungs from dust and glass. And then I also have on the other side, here we go. On the other side, calligraphy nibs, and then a little bit of tape. You never know. But importantly, I keep all my other writing utensils here. So I have a ruler for when I'm drafting. Let me see. I have a clear plastic ruler for when I'm drafting lettering, and then a glass and metal pencil, again, for when I'm drafting lettering. A little cosmetic brush so that I can dust away any engraving dust before I fill it with wax. And then also some inks for filling in certain surfaces that won't take the wax. And then I also keep then paper towels and some little bitty magic eraser sheets, a little bit of alcohol for cleaning things off. And then in the bottom of the kit, I'll keep my safety goggles, again, to protect from glass and dust, pens for my clients to use, business cards, and then a micro bead pillow for to hold the pieces steady as I engrave them. And that all just folds up so nicely in this little kit for my on-sites. So thanks for coming to this little mini tour, and maybe I'll see you and engrave something for you. Bye-bye.